The seals in Antarctica have encountered something unexpected beyond the Great Wall of Ice in this harsh, treeless land where life is on the verge of extinction. These seals fight against the cold and are always angry. In the dark, they desperately look for small holes to breathe and avoid the problems that come with it. What secrets can be hidden in the distant and frozen space? Join us to explore what lies beyond the ice wall. The secrets of Mare are revealed. The secrets of Antarctic seals revealed. Antarctica is unlike any other place on Earth. It is a cold and icy country, with no native mammals, reptiles, or amphibians. No tree or flower plant survives the harsh weather, but life finds a way to survive. The ice here acts as a repository of time, preserving information about ancient creatures and past climate changes. One of the most amazing things found in Antarctica are the seals, also known as seal cakes. These creatures may seem simple, but their life is very talented. For example, the Weddell seal is well adapted to meet conditions. They can dive more than 2,000 feet into the ocean and hold their breath for more than an hour. But this is not the whole story. Recent studies show that these seals have a strong sense of smell. They use it to find breathing holes in thick ice and identify predators and scavengers even in the dark Arctic winter. But this is not the only unexpected discovery. Scientists also found the remains of a giant bird that flew over this icy land. This ancient bird suggests that Antarctica was once a different place, perhaps warmer and full of life. These discoveries challenge what we know about this distant land. Giant donkeys and birds show how to adapt to adverse conditions. Each discovery of ice provides more information about the Earth's past climate and the evolution of plant species over time. Weddell seals seem to be able to use the Earth's magnetic field to navigate through icy water like they have an internal GPS. This ability may have evolved to help them survive and hunt in their challenging environment. But the most amazing thing was discovered in early 2022 when a team of scientists discovered a large colony of these seals in the depths of the Weddell Sea. This discovery is important because it provides new insight into how the Weddell seal reproduces and adapts to extreme environments. Located in a wild and unknown area, this colony offers a unique insight into the life cycle of these animals and how they interact with the polar ecosystem. Studying the navigation skills and reproductive behavior of seals not only increases our understanding of marine biology, but also reveals how species have adapted to some of the harshest conditions in the world. The country. But there are others. Research continues to uncover fascinating facts about the lives of Weddell seals, showing their adaptability and resilience in the frigid waters of Antarctica. Icefish have large underwater areas where they live and spawn. It has an area of 92 square kilometers, the size of Malta. This nursery contains 60 million nests, each 75 centimeters in diameter, carefully crafted by ice fish. These nests are the storage place for fish and their eggs. A mature fish fry is key to protection. They clean the nests of the sea and protect their eggs. This keeps the crops safe from predators and strong ocean currents. The kill of the ice fish shows how well it has adapted to one of the coldest places on Earth. But that's not the only interesting thing. These fish are light-blooded. Unlike other fish, it does not have hemoglobin in its blood, but instead contains a special antifreeze protein. These proteins prevent the formation of ice crystals in their bodies, allowing them to survive in freezing temperatures. We will see how animals like ice can grow in the coldest parts of the Earth. It's amazing how the ice fish can survive in these harsh conditions. The Weddell Sea, home to these fish, is one of the world's last remaining marine ecosystems. Studying this area will help us learn more about these living things and how we can protect these pristine environments. Understanding the life habits of ice fish provides a great insight into how the world adapts to extreme conditions. A group of scientists made a surprising discovery in Antarctica. They found 5 new meteorites, one of which is one of the largest found on Earth. The meteorite weighs about 17 pounds, about the size of a watermelon, but heavier due to its metallic composition. Finding a meteorite of this size is a remarkable achievement as it is extremely rare in Antarctica. About 100 meteorites of similar size have been found there. This new addition is a great addition to the collection of space artifacts collected in Antarctica. You may be wondering why Antarctica is such a good place to find meteorites. This does not mean that many meteorites fall there, but it is easier to see and better protected. The abundance of white ice reflects the dark rocks and the cold and dry climate that makes it ideal. After exploring the frozen landscape, we discovered some amazing things about Earth and space. The treasures hidden beneath the Antarctic ice are only part of its meaning. The light ice, which is well preserved here, is a good place to find meteorites. Each meteorite provides scientists with important clues about space and helps piece together the vast history of the universe. These discoveries in ice are generating excitement and prompting further research. Each new discovery deepens our understanding of the universe and keeps scientists excited for more information. In a remarkable expedition in 2010, scientists from the Antarctic Geological Drilling Program used a robot and camera to probe beneath the ice sheet. They were surprised to see thousands of sea anemones living in the ice. Unlike anything seen before, these sea anemones live in ice instead of on the ocean floor as before, their gills hanging in the cold water like flowers easily hanging from the ceiling. These are known as ghost grave anemones. Each of these small, but that's not really surprising. In 2019, a team from the International Ocean Exploration Program made another surprising discovery. While exploring the sea floor in the Scotia Sea north of the Antarctic continent, they accidentally collected ancient sedimentary DNA, or sedna, from 584 feet below the floor of the sea. This fortunate discovery of ancient DNA has opened new doors to understanding the long history of life in these marine areas. As scientists prepare to uncover this genetic material, their goal is to recreate the ancient ecosystems that once thrived in the dry waters of Antarctica. The underwater history of Antarctica is evolving, and more information is being discovered with each discovery. Sedna contains fossilized remains of organisms that lived millions of years ago. These activities provide a unique look at the ancient marine environment that existed in Antarctica, long before it became the frozen desert that we know today. By studying these ancient DNA fragments, scientists hope to reconstruct the evolutionary history of the region's biodiversity and understand how climate change has affected life over time. This research is important in predicting how current and future climate change will affect sensitive ecosystems in Antarctica and the rest of the world. But the mysteries of Antarctica's subsurface don't end with ancient DNA. The icy waters that surround this land are home to strange and unknown creatures. For example, the Antarctic toothfish, sometimes called the ice dragon, has evolved to survive in extreme cold by producing antifreeze proteins, similar to ice fish. This adaptation allows them to thrive in water that freezes the blood of most other fish. These and other variations continue to amaze scientists and provide evidence of life's potential in some of the world's harshest environments. As we travel deeper into Antarctica, we find more mysteries waiting to be discovered. The unique environment of the Earth, created by millions of years of isolation and extreme conditions, has captured the record of the history of the Earth unlike anywhere else in the world. From prehistoric times to the evolution of the world, Antarctica holds the keys to understanding the forces that shaped our world and will continue to influence it in the future. Antarctic research is not about the past, but about the future. As climate change accelerates, glaciers and ecosystems are at risk, making it even more important to understand and protect this fragile environment. The discoveries made in Antarctica remind us of the importance of preserving these remote and pristine regions, not only for their scientific value but also for the survival of the species that call them home. In recent years, Antarctica has become a focal point for understanding the broader implications of climate change. As global temperatures rise, the ice sheets that cover the continent are melting at an alarming rate, contributing to sea level rise and potentially disrupting ocean currents that regulate the Earth's climate. Scientists are racing against time to study these changes, using advanced technology to monitor ice loss and predict future impacts. The melting ice not only threatens the unique ecosystems of Antarctica, but also has far-reaching consequences for coastal communities worldwide. The urgency to study and mitigate these effects has never been greater, as the data collected from Antarctica will be crucial in shaping global climate policies and strategies for adaptation. Moreover, Antarctica serves as a natural laboratory for studying life under extreme conditions, providing insights that could be applicable beyond our planet. The organisms that thrive in Antarctica's frozen environment might offer clues about the potential for life on other icy worlds, such as Jupiter's moon Europa or Saturn's moon Enceladus. By understanding how life can persist in Antarctica's extreme cold and darkness, scientists can better hypothesize about the possibility of extraterrestrial life in similar environments. This research not only expands our knowledge of Earth's biodiversity, but also pushes the boundaries of astrobiology, opening up new possibilities for exploration and discovery in our solar system and beyond.